Back with another video, guys. For today we are going to look at the new crate challenge compilation with the Mario sound. Guys, let's get into it. Check it out. It's kind of crazy to me though, like how people be doing this challenge in less than a week. It's like, what? Like people be doing this, one person that records it and just starts this challenge, the whole thing goes viral. That's kind of how it is nowadays. Anything that's recorded on the internet goes viral in like less than a week. It's ridiculous. Everybody knows about this now. Oh my gosh. That dude's trying to balance. Oh, oh, they got the Mario sound on that. Oh man, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, I wouldn't go for it. I wouldn't go for it. I wouldn't go for it. Yeah, she gonna fall off, man. There's no way, man. No way. Yeah, she gonna fall, man. Look at it, she can hardly even balance right now. Like, I don't know why people be doing this challenge, man. It's like, you know you're gonna get hurt, you know. But people do it anyways. I don't get it. I don't get how people be doing this for real though. There we go. Wow, I knew it. Man, it's crazy. This is crazy, man. Like you got it. Look at this, bro. He can't even get to the floor. Oh man. Oh wow. There's no way. No way, man. This dude really going to the top of the crate. Oh no, I don't think. Yeah, man. He can't even get up. He can't get up. He's going barefoot. Oh shoot. No way. Is this dude gonna make it? Wow. That man broke the entire milk crate. What in the world is going on? Bro, people be doing this for fun now. Oh! Ooh! Wow. That man broke the entire thing. That's crazy how animals just start coming out of nowhere, man. It's crazy. Okay, some random guy about to do this. That's just crazy, like I said, man. Like early, you know, less than a week is already viral. That's crazy. What the world just happened? It's crazy, you guys. You know what I'm saying? This dude hiding behind it. Oh, fillet. Uh, uh. Oh. Oh yeah, he about to fall off, man. There's no way. I would be very surprised if he makes this. Oh. That's why I don't understand how people be doing this. Oh. They got two people going down, man. This is crazy. What is going on? People really be doing this, man. I don't understand this at all, man. Like how people be doing this. This is crazy, man. It like, bro, this stuff right here. I don't get this. Like this dude, yeah, this dude definitely not making this. He's finger tapping. What the world's going on? Yeah, that's not doing nothing, buddy. Wow. Oh man, I know his back, his lower back gonna be hurting, man. Okay, that person is dumb, bro. Run that back, run that back. So you're telling me this kid right here in the white t-shirt have the nerve to kick this dude that's about to climb up the crates? What a dummy. You know what I'm saying? Wow. He could have got seriously injured, man. Wow, man. He be doing this for views, man. He would do anything for fame, man. Is this dude going barefoot? Oh, he going barefoot on this. Who is this? Is that I don't know who that dude is. I can't even Oh, okay, that's oh yeah, you're dumb. Oh. Okay, that's not that bad, but I'm glad it's not that high up. Oh, she going on with high heels on. You're wilding. You are tweaking. You are wilding. You gotta be wilding. People be doing this crate challenge. Like, what's going on, man? I wonder who started this crate challenge thing. I wonder that. I'm very curious to know. Like, all of a sudden, in the month of August, now I just want to go viral. People weren't doing this 3 months ago. People were just now doing this. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know why y'all talking, man. I don't know why people be talking in the background. Wow, see. Alright, guys. That's gonna be it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Guys, you know what I'm saying? Leave your comments down below what you guys think. But yeah, subscribe if you're new. You know what I mean? Drop a like if you guys enjoyed. And I'm out.